Liquid metal can cause solid metals to become brittle through a process called liquid metal embrittlement. The Greenland shark can live up to 500 years, making it the longest living vertebrate. Some fungi turn ants into zombies by controlling their nervous systems. Earth's magnetic field reverses polarity roughly every 200,000 to 300,000 years. Certain spiders mimic bird droppings as camouflage. The pitch drop experiment, started in 1927, has recorded only 9 drops of tar. Some plants like Dracaena cinnabari produce red sap known as dragon's blood. Quantum dots are semiconductor particles so small their properties depend on size. Axolotls can regenerate their brains without scarring. The immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can revert to its juvenile polyp stage. Saturn's moon Enceladus shoots geysers of water ice into space. The coldest temperature ever recorded on Earth's surface is -144 degrees Fahrenheit in Antarctica. Some bacteria create electricity while breaking down organic matter. The largest snow crystal ever photographed measured 0.4 inches across. Human thigh bones are stronger than concrete. Certain snails have iron mineralized teeth on their radula. The universe's expansion is accelerating due to dark energy. Some meteorites contain stardust older than the solar system. The Atacama Desert soil chemistry resembles Mars. Water bears, or tardigrades, survive dehydration by turning into glass. The first exoplanet discovered around a sun-like star was 51 Pegasi b in 1995. Some deep-sea worms lack mouths and digest food through symbiotic bacteria. The human liver can regenerate from just 25% of its tissue. Venus has thousands of volcanoes, but only a few are likely active. Some birds navigate using Earth's magnetic field via cryptochromes in their eyes. The world's deepest freshwater cave is Hranis Abyss, 1,325 feet deep. Certain crystals grow in geometric hopper formations. The fastest gust of wind, 253 miles per hour, was recorded in Australia's Barrow Island tornado. Some fish species like the opa are warm-blooded. The largest single-celled organism is Caulerpa taxifolia, spanning over 10 feet. Quantum locking allows superconductors to levitate above magnets. Antarctica has underground lakes with ecosystems isolated for millions of years. Some plants emit ultrasonic screams when stressed. The oldest known DNA is from a 1.2 million-year-old mammoth. Jupiter's moon Io is the most volcanically active body in the solar system. Some mushrooms can decompose plastic in weeks. The human body contains trace amounts of gold, about 0.2 milligrams. Petroleum rain occurs when hydrocarbon droplets fall on Saturn's moon Titan. Some beetles survive being eaten by frogs and escape through their digestive systems. The world's largest bacterium, Theomargarita magnifica, is visible to the naked eye. Certain spiders weave underwater, air-filled diving bell webs. The oldest known rock on Earth is 4.03 billion years old. Some viruses can infect and kill cancer cells known as oncolytic viruses. The Milky Way contains an estimated 100 to 400 billion stars. Arctic foxes change fur colors seasonally for camouflage. Some minerals like willemite fluoresce bright green under ultraviolet light. The longest echo, 112 seconds, was recorded in Inchindown oil tanks, Scotland. Certain ants cultivate fungus gardens as their primary food source. The first synthetic element was technetium, discovered in 1937. Some deep-sea fish have transparent heads, such as the barreleye. The hottest natural temperature on Earth was 201 degrees Fahrenheit in geothermal springs. Butterflies use specialized scales on their wings for thermoregulation. The human stomach's rugae, or folds, expand to hold more than 1 liter of food. Some exoplanets have titanium oxide clouds. The fastest land invertebrate is the tiger beetle, reaching 5.6 miles per hour. Certain plants like Selaginella lepidophylla resurrect after years of drought. The world's largest ammonite fossil measures 5.9 feet across. Some bacteria communicate via chemical signals, a process called quorum sensing. The first color photograph was taken in 1861 using red, blue, and green filters. Certain frogs freeze solid and survive by producing glucose antifreeze. The deepest human dive, 1,090 feet, required 14 hours of decompression. Some crystals demonstrate piezoelectricity, generating voltage under pressure. The oldest known star, HD 140283, is about 14.5 billion years old. Certain spiders use web vibrations to tune into prey movements. The human small intestine has microscopic villi increasing surface area 600 times. Some exoplanets orbit binary star systems like Tatooine in Star Wars. The world's largest seed, Coco de Mer, weighs up to 55 pounds. Certain microbes thrive in nuclear reactor cooling pools. The fastest spinning pulsar rotates 716 times per second. Some plants like Utricularia or bladderwort trap and digest insects underwater. The first digital camera, built in 1975, weighed 8 pounds and recorded 0.01 megapixel images. Certain fish species produce light via bioluminescent bacteria. The largest lava lake is in Mount Nyiragongo, Democratic Republic of Congo. Some birds sleep mid-flight by shutting down one brain hemisphere. The first genetically modified animal was a mouse in 1974. Certain minerals like halite or rock salt are edible. The longest lightning bolt stretched 477 miles across the United States. Neutrinos pass through Earth at nearly light speed without interaction. Some trees like aspen form clonal colonies sharing a root system. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered accidentally in 1928. Certain bacteria produce magnetic particles to align with Earth's field. The human cornea gets oxygen directly from air, not blood vessels. Some exoplanets rain molten glass sideways due to supersonic winds. The deepest ice core, 3,768 meters, contains 800,000 years of climate data. Certain beetles shoot chemical sprays at 212 degrees Fahrenheit for defense. The world's largest underground chamber, Sarawak Chamber, can hold 40 Boeing 747s. Some snails have shells coated in iron sulfide for protection. The placebo effect can trigger measurable physiological changes. Certain deep-sea vents host 10-foot-tall tube worms. The first computer virus, called Creeper, appeared in 1971. Some plants release allelochemicals to inhibit competitors' growth. The human brain's folds, called gyri, triple its surface area. Certain fish like the pearlfish live inside sea cucumbers. The oldest known ice is 8 million years old in Antarctica. Velvet worms capture prey by shooting sticky slime nets. The fastest computer, called Frontier, performs over 1 quintillion calculations per second. Some bacteria create living wires or nanowires for electron transfer. The largest known diamond, named Lucy, is a crystallized white dwarf star core. Certain fungi glow in the dark via luciferin-like compounds. The Super Kamiokande detector holds 50,000 tons of ultra-pure water to detect neutrinos.